The Child Advocacy Center movement began when one little girl asked the question, why? Why do I have to talk to so many different people about my abuse? Why can't these people talk to each other? At that time, there was no one place in a community where children and professionals could come together. New Hope and child advocacy centers across the United States now offer a way to answer that little girl's question.
In the investigation of child physical and sexual abuse, law enforcement, social worker professionals, counselors, medical professionals come together and try to stop something horrible that's happening in a child's life, whether it be physical or sexual. Prior to the Children's Advocacy Center, there was nobody to come in with caring, loving, supportive arms and put the pieces back together again.
When I finally disclosed, I came straight to New Hope, and it was really nice being at New Hope because they got me to do the forensic interview, the medical, and therapy all at one building. And as soon as I came through New Hope, there was a sense of comfort. There's such an ease to know that you can come somewhere and share your story, and to know that you're safe and that you're comfortable and that you can trust the people that you're telling your story to.
New Hope has a child-friendly environment where all of these professionals and children can come together. We support justice and healing by ensuring both a coordinated and comprehensive investigation. We provide advocacy services, forensic interviews, medical exams where evidence can be collected, and ongoing therapy for the children and families that we serve. Each year, on average, over 350 hurting children walk through our doors. Yes, over 350. We are so glad that we can be here to help these children, but it makes us all very sad to know that this community problem, this Blount County problem, continues to grow. Our mission is to restore new hope to the children and families that we serve. Hope matters. For an abused child, hope may be all that they have to cling to. Hope that there can be someone who will listen, hope that there will be justice, hope for healing, and hope for a brighter future. The New Hope Blount County Children's Advocacy Center provides a supportive environment where this healing can happen. It is where hope can become reality, and it all begins with one story, one time, one place.